Welcome to Jumpdata's Key Driver Analysis tool demo video. Today I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to perform key driver analysis on your customer survey data. First of all, let's look at some example survey data arranged in the format readable by the tool. Here we are looking at survey results of customers who have purchased a car. In the first column there is the overall satisfaction score. In the other columns are other aspects of car ownership that form the rest of the survey questions. They are the independent variables, and overall satisfaction is dependent on them. Each row underneath represents a response from a customer, and in the example there are 400 responses. The tool can handle thousands of responses with no problem. If there are any gaps in the survey data, perhaps when a customer does not answer a question or it is irrelevant to them, don't worry, the tool automatically cleans the data so that the key driver analysis still runs smoothly. Now I'm going to show you how to upload this data into the tool. You can see on the right that the cases uploaded and cases in analysis are different. This is because the data has been cleaned so that any gaps in the survey responses have been taken out before it is analysed. Now we are ready to run a key driver analysis by simply clicking on the button. Almost immediately, a bar graph appears showing the importance of each survey question ranked along the x-axis to the overall satisfaction metric on the y-axis. Two of the most powerful key driver analysis methods, Kruskal's and Shapley's, are computed and shown next to a classical linear regression result. This is where it gets interesting. Here we see that linear regression is showing greater importance to performance and fuel efficiency, whereas the key driver analysis tells us that overall satisfaction is spread far more evenly across all of the survey topics. The close agreement between the two key driver analysis methods provides enhanced confidence in the validity of the results. Using the survey results to optimize the car for performance, for example, is not going to yield the boost in overall satisfaction that linear regression predicts. Remember that the objective of key driver analysis is to strip out the unintentional and inherent relationships between survey questions so that the real drivers of customer satisfaction can be identified. Lastly, the results are tabulated below the graph and they can be exported in CSV format by clicking on the Download Results button. You can also download the bar graph for inclusion in a report. So now you have seen how fast and easy it is to perform key driver analysis on your customer survey data. If you want to know more about our key driver tool, contact us at info@jumpdata.co.uk. Thank you for watching.